Hello, good day once again. Here's another video of mine still on balancing chemical equation. So if you have any challenge concerning on balancing chemical equation, you can comment or you just call my WhatsApp number that will be displayed below the screen so as you are watching it. So balancing chemical equation is not a big deal. All these ones I've just written it there for you. They are just simple equation. Look at the equation very well. Look at this compound here. There is a compound, aqueous solution, while this is a liquid. So I'll just go straight to the point since you just read all the rules from the textbooks. So the rules are not much, so I'll just balance these at once so that you add this to the previous videos of mine. So after this I will enter mathematics next. So look at this very well. This is a first compound here in the left hand side called the reactant side. Another compound here. This is another compound here, and this is another compound, which is water. This is a water. So, and since water is a liquid, so the state of matter is L, liquid, which is water. So look at this. This is an acid, this is a base. Look at this very well. This is salt, this is water. So this type of reaction here is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. So if you are doing a kind of acid-base titration, sometimes you may use this compound here. It's hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. So sometimes you may just call it tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. This is a base called sodium hydroxide. This is a salt, which is sodium tetraoxosulfate 6 salt, while this is a liquid water. This is a water, sorry, this is water. So what we call neutralization reaction is a reaction between acid and base to produce salt and water. This is acid, this is base, this is salt and water. So an acid reacts with base to produce salt and water. So you can run this experiment through what we call acid-base titration. So you want to balance this equation. So if you look at the equation now, this is what you need to do so that it will guide you. Right there, left hand side, right there, right hand side. See what I'm doing? Left hand side, right hand side. See what I'm doing? So in the left hand side, which is, remember, don't call it left hand side, you call it reactant side. The right hand side, we don't call it right hand side, can call it product side. Now there's it now. So look at it. So what are the constituent elements that we have majorly both in the left hand side and the right hand side? We have hydrogen. We have another one. This is hydrogen. We have sulfur. This chemical formula for sulfur. We have another one, oxygen. I'm using it. Oxygen. We have another one, sodium. So that is all. We have 4 elements in both sides. We have hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, sodium. We have hydrogen. We have hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, sodium. So these are the 4 major elements. So here in the left hand side, hydrogen here is look at, this is 2, here is 2, and here is 1. So hydrogen here is 3. You've seen it. This is 2. This is another one here, 1. So in the left hand side, hydrogen here is 3. So look at it here. See the next one here. So in the right hand side, which is also known as the product side, hydrogen is how many? Look at it. So you search, we don't have anyone yet, so it's only one, which is 2. So come to the left hand side again. Sulfur here is 1, while sulfur in the right hand side is also how many? 1. So look at oxygen in the left hand side again. Oxygen is how many? This is 1, 2, this is 4, this is 4, plus this one, making it 5. You seen it, making it 5. This is 4, this is 1, making it 5. So in the right hand side, it is the product side. Oxygen here is how many? This is 4 plus 1, which is 5. So look at it again. While sodium here in the left hand side is how many? 1. Sodium here in the right hand side, sodium is 2. So therefore equation is not balanced. Remember, for equation to be balanced, with all the total number of molecules whatsoever the molecules, the number of atoms must be the same. That is the forward and backward reaction that is in chemical equilibrium. So this side must be equal to this. This side, whatever you have in your left hand side, must be equals to whatever you have in the right hand side. So we can say that our equation is not balanced. What we have here is not equal to what we have here, so therefore it's not balanced. So look at the equation now. For us to balance this, I'll just be fast. About it. Look at it now. I am having SO4 aqueous solution plus sodium hydroxide aqueous solution, which reacts to give me salt plus water. So look at this now. So first of all, I consider my sodium first. Let me consider my sodium first. I'm starting from sodium. Sodium here is 2. Look at it. Sodium here in the right hand side. Is 2, while sodium here is 1. You can see it. So I had 2 here. Now these 2 I am adding here affect the whole of this equation. Remember it. These 2 affect the whole of this equation. So if I had 2 here, meaning that my sodium is how many now? 2. My oxygen is now 2. My hydrogen is now how many? 2. You see it, the whole of that compound. So now if I add this to this, let's consider what we will have again, both in the left hand side and the right hand side. Still leaves the same constituent element: hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, sodium. So my hydrogen, look at the equation, the new equation that I have written. So my hydrogen is now, this is 2 plus this 2, making it how many? 4. Look at the right hand side. Hydrogen is still 2. Come to sulfur. Sulfur already we know it is 1. In the left hand side, sulfur is 1. Go to the sulfur in your right hand side is still 1. Now look at oxygen. Oxygen here is how many? This is 4 plus 2, making it how many? 6. This is 4 plus this is oxygen. These two also affect this, making it 2. So 4 plus 2 making it 6. You come here, 4 plus only 1 making it 5. Why my sodium is balanced? Look at sodium now. Is sodium 2. This is sodium here 2. So the only problem we are having is on the only element we are having in balancing is hydrogen, which we have 4 and 2, oxygen, which we have 6 and 5. Therefore sulfur and sodium is balanced. Sulfur 1, sulfur 1, sodium 2, sodium 2. So it's only hydrogen 4, 2, oxygen 6 and 5. So let us see what we can do. So look at the equation, the new equation that I want to write now. H2SO4, which is tetraoxosulfuric acid, plus sodium hydroxide, aqueous AQ, which is aqueous. You have sodium tetraoxosulfuric plus water. You see what I'm doing? So this is aqueous, this is a liquid, aqueous. So still this equation that was here that I've written here. So don't worry, we are almost done. So this is the last part of it. So here, since I was having problem in hydrogen, and oxygen, so I come here. So if I had 2, see where I'm adding 2 to this water, now my hydrogen will be 4 and my oxygen is 2. So let's see whether the equation is balanced now. Please always use this if you don't master it. So always use this to know whether your equation is balanced. Still list the constituent element: sulfur, oxygen and sodium. So in your left hand side, hydrogen is now how many? 4. Hydrogen is 4. C2 here, it affects this, is now 4. So in your right hand side, look at hydrogen now. Hydrogen is 4. You've seen it, 4. So look at sulfur. Sulfur is 1. In your right hand side, sulfur is still 1. So sulfur is still 1. So oxygen, let's look at oxygen now. Oxygen here is 4 plus 2 in the left hand side, making it 6. Come here again. This is oxygen here, 4 plus this one. Look at it, it affects this, making it 6. So look at sodium in the left hand side, 2. There 2. Sodium in the right hand side, look at it here, 2. So therefore you see what we have here, 4162. You could see that the equation is balanced. The equation is therefore what? Balance. You've seen it now. Equation is balanced. So thank you for your time. God bless you. Like, share, and comment. Please follow my page. So expect my videos next time. Thank you.